In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man to pump me up. Feeling lucky, my Balenciagas, the bad bitch love. Cause I don't give a fuck. No, whatever Lizzo said. But y'all, hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and I am back at it with another one. So y'all, this one is super simple, very beginner friendly, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this. It was actually a t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. I had a little more extra fabric, but if y'all want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Black girl, look at that black girl. The queen.
Okay, so y'all know I usually don't do this on my channel, but I got a lot of new subscribers, and I kind of wanted to tell y'all what my channel was about. And I know y'all can already tell, but I am trying to follow my niche. But we do more than just DIYs over here. We do lifestyle videos, vlogs, and more of those videos will be coming soon, but so bear with me. But go ahead and subscribe now, because your girl is on the road to 5K. So help me get there, and also follow me on my TikTok. I am at 7,000 right now. I'm currently trying to get to that 10K mark, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the shirt. I picked it up at Walmart for about $12, almost $13. So I wanted to keep the main picture as the skirt, so I went ahead and just cut across right here, and the piece that I just put to the side is going to be for the top. But anyways, so I went ahead and did my measurements, and as you can see, I already pinned it down. So that is the skirt, and we're just going to cut off the arms. And as you can see, I also have a little more fabric left over on the other side of the pins, and you don't want to cut that off, because that's what you want to use for your little French hinges thingies. So basically what we're doing now is sewing down each side of the skirt. And like I said, y'all, this video is going to be super simple, very beginner friendly. So if you do have questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comment section. Okay, so you already know what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other. But right here, what I am doing is I'm cutting down the seam of the side of the shirt, and I am cutting off the extra little seam right there. And then I'm going to make sure it's lined up, and you're going to cut right up into the thread. And make sure you don't cut the thread, because you will have a hole in your skirt, and you're going to have to try to fix that, and of course you don't want that. So we just go all the way up and do what I'm doing. And then you're going to go ahead and pull it so you can get this look right here that I'm about to show y'all. It should look like this. A little raggedy, stretchy, super cute already. But yeah, now with the shirt, super easy. Pay attention. So right here, we're going to cut one side of the seam like so. I'm going to go ahead and take that tag out, and we're going to fold it about this much so we can the little tunnel feed it through or whatever. I'm going to pin it, and then I'm going to sew it. But y'all, if y'all was a Tom and Jerry fan, make sure y'all comment down below who was y'all favorite character. And also, I definitely was a Tom and Jerry fan. And y'all, I know I was in my 20s when I found out that Tom and Jerry didn't have no sound. I'm not gonna say found out, but I had just realized that they wasn't talking basically in there. So I'm gonna take the pin, and then you're gonna take literally the other side that you cut, and you're gonna feed it through the little tunnel and just pull it like this, y'all. And you got your shirt. Like, so simple, and this is so cute. And then I'm basically lining up the piece, the end piece, and then we're gonna literally just sew it on the back. And this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think, and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace. And sis, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Help a sister grow, okay? And let's get to 5K. Period. Yo, I look so good. And I can wear this with some heels or some gym shoes, whatever I want. But I'm out. Alright, bye.